Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Trigonometric Ratio. Exercise 9.1. Lecture 1. Today's lesson. To explain trigonometry and to describe trigonometric ratios of acute angles. Trigonometry. Here is given description. Just I'll short. The word trigonometry is derived from Greek words tri. Tri means theory, gon means is, and metron means measure. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle, especially from a right angle triangle. We will find the age or measurement of angles of this triangle. By using trigonometry, we can easily find the height or distance. Clear? Find the height or distance. If we know the measurement of angle or any one of the measurement length of height or distance. Distance means here base. Okay. So if we know the measurement of angle and any one of heights or distance, we can easily find the other relation by using trigonometry. Clear? Naming of sides of a right angle triangle. We know that the sides of right angle triangle are known as hypotenuse, base and height. This is successful for the horizontal position of triangle. Again, the naming of sides is based on the position of one of the two acute angles of right angle triangle. As for example, hypotenuse. The side of a right angle triangle, which is the opposite side of the right angle. Opposite side, which is the direct opposite side of a given angle. Adjacent side, which is a line segment constituting the given angle. Follow? Here given two triangle, one is PON and another also PON, but given angle are different. Here is O and here is P. So the side opposite to right angle, here right angle is N, so OP is hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the given angle, that is PN, so PN is opposite side, and ON, this is the adjacent side constituting with the given angle. Here also OP is hypotenuse because which is opposite to the right angle, here right angle N, and this side, that's PN is the adjacent side, and also ON, this is the opposite side because this is opposite to the given angle. In the geometric figure, the capital letters are used to indicate the vertices. As for example, previous figure, there was PON is a triangle, PO and N all are vertices and that are capital letters. But if given the measurement of length, that's mean OP or PN, or and another one is ON, will be a small letter. OP, this equal to we can write small n, or PN we can write small o, or OP we can write small p. Clear? Vertices, that is capital letters, and Small letters are used to indicate the sides of a triangle. We often use the Greek letters to indicate angle. Widely used 6 letters of Greek alphabet are alpha, beta, gamma, theta, phi, omega. You have to remember this. Okay. Greek letters are used in geometry and trigonometry through all the great mathematicians of ancient Greek. Example, indicate the opposite hypotenuse, the adjacent side, and the opposite side for the angle theta. Here is given angle theta. So 8 is opposite side, 17 is hypotenuse, 15 is adjacent side. Here P is hypotenuse, R is opposite side, Q is adjacent side, because given angle is theta. Here given angle theta, so EF opposite side, and this is denote right angle, this is denote right angle, this is denote right angle. So EF will be hypotenuse, and GF, that is a adjacent side. Find the lengths of hypotenuse, the adjacent side, and the opposite side for the angles alpha, beta. For the angle beta, 7 is opposite side, 24 is adjacent side, 25 is hypotenuse. For the angle of alpha, 24 is opposite side, 25 hypotenuse, and 7 is adjacent side. Clear, everyone? So using these two examples, you can easily find the hypotenuse, adjacent side, and opposite side for the angle theta and phi. Here for the angle theta, EF opposite side, DE adjacent side, and DF hypotenuse. Similarly, for the angle phi, DE opposite side, EF adjacent side, and DF hypotenuse. Similarly, for others triangle, you can easily find hypotenuse, adjacent side, and opposite side. So everybody will calculate this. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of an acute angle. In right angle triangle, we have already discussed there are 3 sides. One is opposite side, and another one is adjacent side, and another one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, opposite side, and adjacent side. By using these 3 sides, we make 6 ratio. 6 ratio means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, or adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, or opposite side by hypotenuse, or hypotenuse divided by opposite side, or opposite side by adjacent side, or adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, these 6 ratios, that are trigonometric ratio. Clear, everyone? And there are different name. One is sine, and another one is cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Clear? That are a trigonometric ratio. You have to remember from the figure. As there is given angle theta, this is accurate, and this equal to, we can write PM by OP. PM in opposite side, OP mean hypotenuse, and we have to read sine theta means sine of angle theta. Other than theta, sine is valueless, meaningless. Other than theta, cos is meaningless or valueless. So angle is very important. So sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta you have to read cosine of angle theta, tangent of angle theta, and more. Cosec means cosecant of angle theta, sec, secant of angle theta, and cot, cotangent of angle theta. That's mean cot is a short form of cotangent. Sec is a short form of secant. Cosec is a short form of cosecant. Tan is a short form of tangent. Cos is a short form of cosine, and sine is a short form of sine. And cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Cosec theta is equal to, we can write 1 divided by sine theta. 1 divided by sine theta mean OP divided by PM, that's mean hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. 1 divided by cos theta divided mean 1 divided by OM by OP. That's mean sec theta is equal to OP by OM. Similarly, cot theta is equal to OM by PM. That's mean if sin theta is equal to PM by OP, cos theta will be OP by PM. Cosec theta, and cos theta is equal to OM by OP, sec theta is equal to OP by OM. Converse to each other, sin and cosec theta, cos and sec, tan and cot. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are trigonometric ratios. You have to remember. Okay. The symbol sin theta means the ratio of sine of the angle theta, not multiplication of sine and theta. Sine is meaningless without theta. That I had already said. It is applicable for the other trigonometric ratios as well. Relation among the trigonometric ratios. Here is given angle XOA, that is equal to theta, is an acute angle. So after completing the figure, we can write sin theta is equal to PM by OP. Cosec theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta, that is OP by PM. That already discussed. Similarly, cos theta is equal to OM by OP. So sec theta is equal to OP by OM. Tan theta is equal to PM by OM. So cot theta is equal to OM by PM. Again tan theta is equal to PM by OM. So dividing both numerator and denominator by OP, as a result here will be PM by OP and here will be OM by OP. But PM by OP this equal to, you know, sin theta, and OM by OP that is equal to cos theta for the previous slide. Therefore tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So cot theta will be cos theta by sin theta. Clear everyone? By using this we write more relation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin theta whole square and sin square theta same. Cos theta whole square and cos e square theta same. So sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square, sin theta is equal to PM by OP whole square. Cos theta mean OM by OP whole square. Now this equal to PM square by OP square plus OM square by OP square. This equal to PM square plus OM square by OP square. PM square plus OP square, that's mean base square plus perpendicular square. This equal to hypotenuse square because OP is hypotenuse. And OP square by OP square, this equal to 1. That's mean sin square. Sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square, this equal to 1. Or sin square theta plus cos square theta, this equal to 1. You have to remember. Similarly, for others relation, sec square theta that is equal to sec theta whole square. That's mean this and this are same. This is equal to OP by OM whole square. But OP is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write OP square by OM square, and OP square means OM square plus PM square. And this is equal to, we can write OM square by OM square and PM square by OM square. So this is equal to 1 and this is equal to, we can write PM by OM. But PM by OM this is equal to tan, as here is square, so here will be also square. This is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. That means sec square theta this is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. After converting tan square theta into left side, here will be sec square theta minus tan square theta this is equal to 1. or tan square theta this equal to sec square theta minus 1. Similarly, cosec square theta this equal to, we can write 1 plus cot square theta. From here we can also go cosec square theta minus cot square theta this equal to 1, and cot square theta this equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Clear? I will again explain in a case. Here given a right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is opposite side, and this is adjacent side. Sin theta this equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta this equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta this equal to opposite side by adjacent side, cosec theta this equal to hypotenuse by opposite side this equal to 1 divided by opposite side by hypotenuse this equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, sec theta this equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta this equal to 1 by tan theta, also tan theta this equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta this equal to cos theta by sin theta. And sin square theta plus cos square theta this equal to 1. From here we can write sin square theta mean 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta mean 1 minus sin square theta. Sec square theta this equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or sec square theta minus tan square theta this equal to 1, or tan square theta this equal to sec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta this equal to 1 plus cot square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta this equal to 1, or cot square theta this equal to cosec square theta minus 1. You have to remember, otherwise the math will be very difficult for you. Clear everyone? Here given tan A this equal to 4 divided by 3, but tan A is equal to what? Tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That's mean here is opposite side 4, adjacent side 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Follow the solution. Here A of ratio of the angle A, of the angle A mean A is a given angle. So CB or BC will be opposite side, and AB is a adjacent side. And this is the right angle triangle, and we know this is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse this equal to what? Hypotenuse this equal to base square plus perpendicular square, or opposite side square, then square root. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is 25. Then square root mean 5. That's mean AC this equal to 5. That's mean hypotenuse this equal to 5. Clear everyone? Because we know the Pythagoras theorem. In class 8 we had already discussed. So sin A this equal to what? Sin A this equal to 4 by 5, as this equal to 5. Cos this equal to 3 by 5, cot this equal to 3 by 4, and cosec, after getting sin A we can easily say cosec this equal to 5 by 4, and sec this equal to 5 by 3. Clear everyone? And also, as here is given tan A this equal to 4 by 3, so cot A this equal to 3 by 4, converse of tan A. Clear everyone? Another man. Angle B is right angle. That means this is a right angle of a right angle triangle ABC. If tan A this equal to 1, then verify the truth of sin A cos A this equal to 1. Tan A this equal to 1 mean tan A mean 1 by 1. That means if this equal to 1, this also will be 1. Okay, so if here is this side BC, tan A mean 1 mean here denominator is also 1. So this and this are equal. So if this is equal to A, this equal to A, so this will also will be square root over a square plus a square. A square plus a square mean square root over 2 into a square. Square root over 2 into a square mean a root 2 or root 2 into a out of square root. Clear everyone? Now we have to find sin a. Sin a mean, as here is given angle A, so this is opposite side, a divided by root 2a, that is equal to 1 by root 2, and cos is equal to a divided by root 2a, that's 1 by root 2. Now left side 2 into sin a into cos a, that's mean 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So root 2 into root 2 mean 2, so 2 into 1 by 2, that's mean this equal to 1. So left hand side 1 and given right hand side also 1. So proof is complete. Clear everyone? Follow previous two example. You can easily solve 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your book exercise 9.1. Clear everyone? Example 5. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta this equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. Tan theta this equal to, we know formula sin theta by cos theta, and cot this equal to cos theta by sin theta. You have to remember the relation. What is tan theta? What is cot theta? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Now LCM will be here sin theta cos theta. So here will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, because as here is LCM sin theta into cos theta. So at first we have to divide this by cos theta. As a result, here will be sin theta, and we have to multiply sin theta and this sin theta. Here will be sin square theta. We know how to simplify or addition or a fraction. Okay, just else addition here. LCM will be this, and roles at first you have to divide this by this and multiply the numerator with the quotient. Okay, similarly here also same, cos square theta, and we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, this equal to what? 1. This is 1, and this equal to, we can write 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sin theta this equal to cosec theta, 1 by cos theta this equal to sec theta. As here is given sec theta cos theta, so at first we have to write here sec theta, then cosec theta, and this is right hand side. So proof is complete. Very easy. Here given sec square theta plus cosec square theta, this equal to sec square theta dot cosec square theta. Left hand side sec square theta plus cosec square theta. This equal to 1 divided by cos square theta, because sec is equal to 1 by cos, as here is square, so here also will be square, and cosec this equal to 1 by sin, as here is square, so here will be square. Again LCM will be cos square theta into sin square theta. So this cut, here will be only sin square theta, here will be only cos square theta. So this equal to 1 divided by cos square theta into sin square theta. Now write and separate, here will be 1 by cos square theta, here also 1 by sin square theta. So this equal to cos square theta into cosec square theta. Sorry, here will be sec square theta into cosec square theta. This is equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Very easy. Just you have to know the formula. Otherwise, math will be very difficult for you. Example 7. Prove that 1 divided by 1 plus sin square theta plus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec square theta is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to this, and sin square theta fixed, and this equal to, we can write 1 plus 1 by sin square theta. Here will be LCM sin square theta, so here will be sin square theta plus 1. Just write in arrange, here will be 1 plus sin square theta, and after divide 1 by this, will get here sin square theta. LCM will be 1 plus sin square theta, so here will be 1 plus sin square theta. So 1 plus sin square theta divided by 1 plus sin square theta, this equal to 1. This equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. So using this example, you can easily solve 6 up to 8 in your book exercise 9.1, and everybody will solve and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 16/3/2021, time 11 AM. today. After this, thank you to all everyone.